Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz, and I want to welcome you to our SEMRUSH series. So as you can see, we're still doing the SEMRUSH set of tools, and we're still making reviews and tutorials about them, because if you're gonna scroll down over here, you're gonna see that they're actually quite a lot. So we're still on the first part, if you could say that, first part of the review slash tutorial in terms of categories, because we have only been talking about the SEO part as of the previous videos that we have done. So there's still a lot more to cover, and we will go through all of those in the later videos. So we will really appreciate if you guys can come and join us along the way as we go through all of these tools to help you with your SEO task better. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the tool that we're focusing on today, and that is position tracking. So position tracking is under the keyword research feature from the SEO category, and what this does is it monitors the rankings of your site and your competitors on a daily basis. So this is a great tool, or a great feature, because you would be able to see your rankings as it goes on different trends daily. Before we use the tool, let's give these information below a quick run through so we know what to expect from the tool. So this is what a sample result of the position ranking or position tracking tool is gonna look like. So as you can see, you can discover potential opportunities right here. So it analyzes the SERPs by target keyword, and then you would also be able to measure your SEO or PPC efforts over here if you click on these tabs. And you also get a graph, which is a visualization of the result that you will be getting out from the tool. Okay, so scrolling down, it says you will also be able to discover who competes with you for the specific keywords that you are targeting, and as well as allows you to stay on top of any changes in the positions of your site throughout the SERP. And lastly, it automates your reporting about the progress. So this allows you to export the results in specific file types, so that you won't have to go through and open this tool every time you need access to the results that you need to see. So with exporting it, you can just view it on your device, whatever it may be, and have easy access to it all the time. So this is pretty much the same, but over here we have some FAQs. So here, how often is the data in the position tracking tool updated? So you can see that it's updated every 24 to 48 hours. So I'm just gonna read through the main points of the questions and the answers, and then here what external integrations are available for the position tracking tool. So it integrates with Google Analytics and Google Data Studio. And then here, how many position tracking campaigns can I run for my website? So currently you can only run one position tracking campaign per project. So unless you upgrade to a guru or business account. Alright, so that's it for the FAQs. Let's go ahead and utilize the tool now so that we can have or we can finally know for ourselves what this does. So since we have set up the Serpwizz campaign previously on one of our older videos, then we're just gonna set up this domain. So I'm just gonna use that campaign as well and hit setup tracking. Oh, alright, so because we're using a free trial account, then it wouldn't allow us to set up another one. So we can just instead use this one to set up, as we haven't done, or I haven't done so previously. Alright, so here we're targeting, or we're setting up Serpwizz as the root domain, and then toggling Google for the search engine, and we're using desktop location. I'm just gonna use the US, and then business name for local map pack. So that's optional. You can just not. And then here you can enter keywords, one per line or separated by commas, or you can use only keywords or tag keywords, just toggle from one tab to another. And then, or you can also import from a list. And then here you have some keywords going on. So if I click on start tracking here, then it would send me weekly ranking updates via email as well. So let's click on that. Oh, no keywords. Add keywords to campaign. So let's just click on that. And now it's added. And let's say start tracking. So right now it's just loading up some information or some results, and we should be able to see the results after this. So there's been progress with gathering keywords data. So you can see it's moving now, and it's on the second part, and we should be able to get the results soon enough. Alrighty, so after some time, we're able to finally get our results now, and I just want to say that I also got the email, as in the same moment as the results popped out, so that's good to know. Emails are prompt, and it just takes a little bit of time when generating the results, which is very understandable. But other than that, that's good. So you can see different tabs over here. You can just toggle on over on what you want to view, and then here you get the results now, and then some visualizations as well on here, and then keywords, the one that we answered earlier, we get the positioning and the visibility. Other than that, we also get SERP features. So you're getting quite a lot with just utilizing one tool, really. And then here you see landing pages, top, improve, declined, and as well as the metrics. And if you upgrade your plan, then you would be able to get so much more. Like for Guru, it's up to 10 targets, and then for business, it's unlimited targets. So that's obviously a great thing. But for us, since we're still reviewing all the tools and seeing if it's really a good fit for everyone, or for some particular people who work in the SEO industry, then just sampling a free account is already good. So that's it actually. All you need to do is add set up the domain, add some keywords, and then you'll be able to get this right away. And yep, that is it for position tracking tool. Hopefully you guys will follow us more on the next videos that we'll be making. And yep, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.